Hi, I'm Jason. Most roofing companies think they lose jobs because of pricing, but honestly, that's not usually the case. They normally miss out on customers before they even get the chance to send an estimate. Because homeowners today move fast, especially after storms. They call multiple roofing companies, they message multiple businesses, and they compare reviews instantly. And the company that responds first usually wins. Not always the cheapest, not always the best, just the fastest and most organized. That means every missed call, every delayed response, every forgotten follow-up is basically a leak in your business. Invisible revenue leaking out every single week. Now, imagine if your roofing company could automatically respond to leads instantly, follow up automatically, and also remind customers about estimates, request reviews after jobs, and organize every single lead in one place without hiring extra office staff. That's exactly what GoHighLevel helps roofing companies do. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step in a beginner-friendly way. No tech experience needed, no coding, and no complicated setup. You can do this in just a few minutes. We're going to build a simple roofing business system together that can help you respond faster, stay organized, and close more jobs. And the cool part is, you can test everything out for completely free. While following along, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Now, let's dive in. So first, what exactly is GoHighLevel? The simplest way to think about it is, GoHighLevel is basically a command center for your business. Instead of juggling sticky notes, spreadsheets, missed texts, appointment calendars, and multiple apps, everything gets managed from one place. For roofing companies specifically, this matters because roofing leads are extremely valuable. One good roofing lead could turn into a $10,000 roof replacement, an insurance claim, or a long-term customer referral. So speed and follow-up matter a lot. And that's where automation becomes powerful. Because instead of relying on memory, your business starts running on systems. Now let me show you around the platform. Okay, so once you're signed up to GoHighLevel, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And don't worry if it looks unfamiliar right now, I'm going to simplify this as much as possible. Over to the left-hand menu option, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is conversations. And this is where your calls, text messages, emails, and Facebook messages can all show up together. So instead of logging into 5 different apps, everything is centralized. Then you have contacts. And the contacts is basically where all of your leads will be stored automatically. So if someone fills out a form, calls your business, or messages you, their information gets saved here. Then we have opportunities, and this is where you'll be able to view your pipeline. And this is one of my favorite features for roofing companies because this lets you visually track every lead. So you could tap on pipelines right here, then you'll tap on create pipeline, and from here you could give your pipeline a name. So let's say for example I were to call it roofing. After adding in the pipeline name, you can add in the different stages that a customer would go through. So you have new lead, inspection scheduled, estimate sent, insurance pending, job 1, and we could also add another option which would be job completed. So we could add that right here. And by the way, to set this up, for example, if you would like to add new stages, you can tap on add stage right there, and you can add a different phase. Then you're just going to tap on create. After you have created it, you're going to tap on opportunities once more. Then you're just going to select the pipeline that you have created, and you can see it right here. Now this helps you instantly see where every potential customer is in the process. Now after you have created it, you can tap on add opportunities, and this is where you'll be able to add contacts. So you can tap right here and you'll be able to select the contacts and you can add them to the pipeline. Now I want you to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to select automation. And this is where GoHighLevel starts doing work for you automatically. And let me show you a really useful roofing automation right now. One of the biggest mistakes roofing companies make is slow follow-up, especially after storms, because during busy seasons, homeowners are contacting multiple companies at once. So if your response takes 2 hours, half a day, or even the next morning, you may already lose that customer. Now watch this. Inside GoHighLevel, you can automate lead responses instantly. So you're going to tap on create a workflow. Then from there, you're going to tap on start from scratch. After you have selected start from scratch, what I want you to do now, you can select add trigger. So you could, for example, select form submitted. So once they have filled out a form, or if it is a case that you are running Facebook ads or so on, or Google ad, you can type that in and you will be able to set it as the trigger. So let's say, for example, we were to select form submitted. After they have submitted the form, we're going to tap on save trigger. Then we're just going to tap on the plus right here. Then in the search bar, you could type in send SMS and you're just going to select send SMS. After you have done that, you could add in a quick message. So for example, hey, thanks for contacting ABC Roofing. We received your request and someone from our team will reach out shortly. What type of roofing issue are you dealing with? That's it. Now, every new lead gets an instant response automatically, and this makes your roofing company feel faster, more professional, and more trustworthy, even if you're busy on a roof somewhere. So you'll simply tap on save action, then you'll tap on publish, and just like that, your automation will be live. That's beautiful. Even if you're a complete beginner, it's easy to set up. Now let's talk about appointment reminders, because roofing companies deal with a lot of moving parts, inspections, estimates, weather delays, and also crew scheduling. And homeowners forget appointments all the time. With GoHighLevel, you can automate reminders so customers stay informed automatically. Here's how. The first thing you'll need to do is go to calendars. Then you're going to tap on calendar settings. Then you'll tap on connections. Then you'll select add new. And from here, you can connect your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar, or Calendly. It's quite straightforward and easy. After you have done that, what you'll need to do next, you're going to go back and you're going to select calendars. Then you're just going to tap on new calendar. From here, I want you to tap on explore more types and you're going to select service type. After you have done that, you're going to fill in your calendar name. Then you can select employee or staff member right there. After you have done that, you will also be provided with a custom URL. Then you can add in your service duration. So you can put in the normal service duration right there. And you can tap on advanced settings. After selecting advanced settings, this is where you'll be able to further customize it. So you could upload your logo, for example. You can add in different services. Then from there, you could also tap on availability and you'll be able to set up your availability right here. You can also add in booking rules and so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save and from there, you now have your calendar. So you can create an inspection or estimate calendar. Now, anytime someone books your service, GoHighLevel can automatically send confirmation texts, reminder messages, and follow-ups. So for example, we can go back and we're just going to tap on automations. After you have selected automations, you're going to tap on create workflow. From here, let's say for example, we were to tap on select from template. And the template that I like to use is customer appointment. So you can see what it entails. First, once they have booked the appointment, as you can see right here, that will be the trigger. They'll get a confirmation email. Then after that, 24 hours before the appointment, they're going to receive a reminder. Then an hour before the appointment, they'll receive a reminder also. So with this, you'll be able to remind them of their appointment. And this small thing separates average companies from premium looking companies. All you'll need to do is simply tap on choose template and just like that, you'll be able to create your workflow. Now, here's another major advantage for roofing companies: review automation. Because homeowners trust reviews more than ads, especially for expensive services like roofing. If someone is spending thousands of dollars on a roof, they want reassurance, and GoHighLevel can help automate the process of getting more reviews consistently. So you could tap on create workflow and you could create another workflow. So after a job is completed, you can automatically send a message like, thanks for choosing ABC Roofing. If you were happy with our service, we'd really appreciate a quick Google review. Then you could include your review link, and that's it. And over time, those reviews build trust and help you generate more local leads organically. And also, you can reach out to customers that you have offered service to in the past by selecting reputation right here. You could tap on, for example, requests, and you could tap on send review requests. From there, you could search in your customer database and you could ask them to add a review just like that. So you can also collect reviews from your backlog. Now, why this matters for roofing companies? The roofing companies growing the fastest right now usually aren't just better roofers, they are better at systems, better at follow-ups, better at speed, and better at organizations. Because once your lead flow increases, things get messy fast without systems. Calls get missed, lead fall through cracks, customers stop hearing from you, and that's exactly where automation becomes a competitive advantage. Not because it replaces people, but because it helps your business operate consistently, even during busy seasons. Now, if we're being honest, we haven't covered everything. This is just scratching the surface. GoHighLevel can also help roofing companies with websites, funnels, AI lead follow-up, sales pipelines, email campaigns, and customer management. But I wanted to keep this video simple and beginner friendly because honestly, the easiest way to learn about this platform is to start testing it out yourself. And once you see your first automation working, you start realizing how much time and money this can save. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, I'll leave a free link down below in the pinned comment and description, and you can also subscribe to this channel as I'll be doing more tutorials. Thanks for watching.